So today we'll do this cute butterfly. So I'll be showing you the making video. You can paste this clip, or I'm just inserting it into the body, or you can, once you do this, you can use your glue and paste it onto the butterfly so it won't move. So you can do that. So let us start with the butterfly. So we'll start with the magic circle, and then if you can see, this will have 8 corners, 1 2 3 4 on the front and 1 2 3 4 on the back. So we will be making space for 8 corners, which I'll do it with 1 2 double crochet, and then I'll do 1 space. So if you want a bigger butterfly, you can make it as 3 double crochet and a chain space. So now I have 2 sets of it. I'm going to make 6 more sets of it. 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, chain 1. I have 4 sets now. Two double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. Let me just reduce the circle. Chain 1. How many I have? 1 2 3 4 5 6. To make 2 more. 2 double crochet, chain 1, and then this is my 8th set. 2 double crochet, chain 1, and I'll be doing a slip stitch on top of this 3 chain. And tightening the circle. So you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. You can see 8 spaces. Now I have to bring my crochet to this space since it's on top of this crochet hook. So I'll make a slip stitch and move the crochet to the next one chain space. Now in every chain space I'll be making a corner. So you can see the butterfly. This is the internal circle that we just made, and it has corners in each chain space. So let me do that. Our corners are 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3 double crochet. Now my first would be 3 chain and then 2 double crochet. So this is my 3 double crochet set. I'll make 2 chain and then I'll do the 3 double crochet again. Yes, now I don't need to do any chain space. So I'll move to the next corner, next chain space here, and I'm making my second corner. 3 2 chain and 3 double crochet again. Yeah, I'll be repeating it for 6 more times. Be with me. So I'm changing the color, so that's chain 1 and tightening up the thread. Now because I want to do something contrast, I'm taking a cream color. Now I will start it in this space, in a space that we get between two corners. Let me just attach the new thread. Don't worry about the knots and the elongated loose ends. We will put it inside when we are folding the butterfly. Yeah, I have done it in a space between two corners. Now what I do is I'll do one single stitch here, one single stitch, and then I'll do 4 double crochet in the corner, 3, 4, and I'll chain 3 and slip stitch into the same stitch, so that we'll get a pop here, and then 4 more double crochet in the same corner space. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see this is how it will look, and then there is a attachment in the center. Now why that single crochet is because you can do a single crochet or a slip stitch so that it will get its shape. My thread is wobbly in this corner, so it's looking a little out of shape. Let me repeat the process for the rest of the 7 times. 4 double crochet, 3 chain, slip stitch into the top of same stitch from where we did the chain, and then 4 double crochet. Single crochet. As I said, you can do slip stitch also, and you can do single crochet stitch also. Single crochet will look more prominent, and a slip stitch here will look just like an attached wing. So, slip stitch is ideal usually, but since I'm using a very contrast stitch, I wanted to highlight the fan like structure, so I'm using single crochet stitch here. So always remember, for things like this, keep the count same, but increase the crochet hook if you want a bigger pattern. The small works like this, small patterns like this, every time you want to increase or decrease the size of the work, change your crochet hook. That is what I do ideally, because if you keep same crochet hook, then you need to increase decrease the number of stitches, which gets really confusing for a beginner. So what I do is I keep the count same, I keep the count exactly the same, and then increase the crochet hook so that the stitches become bigger with a bigger crochet hook and smaller with a smaller crochet hook. Okay. Now this is my 4 side. Let me just join this end also. Yeah, this is the 4 sides. What I'll do is when we fold it, this is how the butterfly will look. Yeah, this is how you will fold it in half, 4 and 4. Yeah, let me just finish the other 4 leaf and then come back. So I've done all 8 sides, so it will Once you fasten the circle, it will look a little wavy. So I have my loose ends. So what I'll do is I'll just try to make a knot in the that would sit in the center. Just simple knots. Yeah, two corners. You can see I have folded it. Now for the body, you can use same colors, either of it, or I have taken a black here. It's nothing but a chain of 12. It's nothing but a chain of 12 with little longer loose ends. So what I'll do is I'll have this chain 12 wrapped around the center of butterfly like this, and then I'll just do 2 to 3 knots. I usually do 3 knots. Don't pull it too much so that the butterfly wings will look squished. I did my 3 knots here. You can see. Yes. Now cut this yarn to a decent length so it look like the butterfly's antenna. Yeah. Now I have a clip. You can use your tic tac clip also. I have a crocodile clip. So what I'll do is I'll just simply insert the clip here, and then we have a butterfly clip. Around 15 to 20 minutes to make one. So I hope you'll try this pattern. Bye bye.